Okay, guys, we're going to do reinforcement learning. Well, actually, more specifically, deep Q learning for trading. You're going to import all of this. And then import Yahoo Finances, Yahoo as YF. Override, and then you're going to get this specific data set. 2CSV index equals false, DF full equals head. Name the agent whatever you want. Now, the window size, I would do this. Self-action size 3. Max Lin, you never want to make the agent's memory too big because he wants to go to a state of rest. If his memory is more longer, well, it's harder for him to go to a state of rest now, isn't it? 256 for the neural network. This is good right here. And then relu is an activation function. TF float 32 for X and Y. The self logits minus Y. Use this metric right here. And then the self is the cost function. Run TF global Epelson from up here. MP argmax, the greedy function. This is very effective in reinforcement learning. MP argmax has nicknamed the greedy function. Window size, we're still defining its environment. Okay. And then here, right here, is very important for the target. Do MP argmax as well for the reward function. The dictionary, Epelson. Now here we are for the buy. Okay, put the range -1 to 1. And then action if equals initial money and then self trend initial money. If it equals 2. And then now here's where we go. ELIF. Try invest. Close minus bot price divided by bot price times 100. Except invest 0. Initial money minus starting money divided by starting money times 100. And then now, for the training, we're going to do the same thing again. -1 and 1. Sometimes it's better safe than sorry. Okay, guys? Okay, now it's going to print out during it the total profit, the cost, and the starting money. Okay, as you can see, the profit went down, but it wasn't, the cost is what is better, and then the starting money went up. The initial money. So, although there was kind of some noise with the profit, the point is this went down and then this went up. Okay, so we're going to buy 1 unit price at 9, and then the total balance. The investment, it did better when it sold 1 at 11, and then the total balance. Okay, guys, as you can see, there's a lot of probability that goes into this. Okay, so the total gains were 7%, but it had even less investment to get gains. I don't know. I never like to play risks when it comes to trading. I always try and play it safe. Okay, guys, there it is. Your little, and you know how I got that from there? Remember the gains and the investments. And then the buying signal and the trading signal. So this is one way to automate trading applications with reinforcement learning. Of course, you deploy them, but this is just a little refresher course. My specialty is not reinforcement learning, although I need to strengthen that a little bit more. But I do know it. Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you.